Yo, today I'm gonna go over how I made $400 trading Nasdaq. Could have been so much more than $400. So much more. Coming into market open, we absolutely just dump. Right, and my rule for myself is I don't trade until the 10 a.m. key open. So 10 a.m. opened. I set a limit order right at 10 a.m. It filled, 15-point stop. And my target, honestly, should have targeted down here. Just previous swing low. But I don't really like taking swing lows down here. Like of the leg that retraced. I don't like that because it's obviously going to go lower. So I set my TP down here at these relative equal lows. Right down here. They're relative on the 5-minute as well. So I set at these two relative equal lows. That's where I wanted my TP. Right there. That's where I had my TP set. And as you can see, even though I limited on the 10 a.m., a 1-minute rejection block still formed and got filled right above the 10 a.m. So that's an even more valid setup that I could have taken rather than just limiting 10 a.m. open. So it filled and eventually hit full TP, but I didn't hit full TP. So we came here. I will show it here now. So I set a trail. I trailed my stop loss once we formed this high, and then once we formed this high, I trailed my stop even lower because I expected, okay, we're gonna go and we're gonna take out full TP. Should I have trailed there? Should I have left it on the initial one, on the initial high? I don't know. I think this trail was valid. It just sucks that I got stopped out. In my TikTok, I said that I shouldn't have trailed there. It's not within my rules. That was probably me just coping with a loss. Like that was pretty valid to trail here. It's just unfortunate that I got stopped out and then it immediately ran to hit full TP. Like that just sucks. But yeah, so the stop loss that was here would have been for 200. The stop loss here would have been for 360. But I let my emotions get the best of me, and I fucking gambled. I haven't gambled in over a month. I've been following my rules and trading pretty well. Maybe not over a month. Maybe close to a month I haven't gambled. And I just let my emotions get to me, man. I could have made $1,100 if it hit full TP. And to get stopped out from a trailed stop loss really put me over the edge, and that shouldn't happen. I shouldn't get upset like that. So I went, instead of 5 micros, which is what I traded 10 micros just at a random fucking point right here at 544, or not 544, 546. Hold on, let me just do it on here because it's easier. 546, 5465, 15 points, and then I was just targeting the same fucking low, targeting the same low. Would have hit for 1.75 times 300. No fucking clue what that is. Probably like 4 something. Bear with me. 525. Would have hit for 525. So that 525 plus the initial 360 that I had, 885. It could have been a caught back up day. That's what I was thinking at that point. But I got fucking scared, dude. I was like, man, this risk is not worth it. To be risking $300 to make barely over that, risk my whole fucking profits for the day. So it went up into the negative, and I closed. I closed and lost 160 bucks. So now I only made 203 on the day rather than 360, and the 360 could have been 1125. I think this might have been just too ambitious of a TP. After we formed this low, I definitely should have just set the TP there. I mean, that alone would have been 150 times 565. Fuck. $850 trade. Yeah, $847 trade. Like, I should have just set my TP down there, taken the 840. Now I walked away with $600. I mean, it's still a winning day, but I'm still in this tough spot where I have 2 days left, because this is NFP. So NFP, as long as I don't fuck it up and mark it, and it gets released and it reacts how it has for the past 5 months that I've accessed. I mean, I got my notebook here and I have notes on NFP on how they released. I went back 5 months. I'm just back testing. I'm back testing my model, more back testing of my model. I'm really trying here, man, and then I fucking gambled today. I mean, it's just terrible. I don't know what I'm doing. But yeah, I have 2 days of trading left to make, I think that's this is the low account. I have 2 days to make $1,500 and then make another $1,500 on NFP, and then I can pass these accounts before my rebuild date. But if I don't do that, I have to cancel one of the accounts, because one of the accounts will rebill me on Saturday. So I can't afford to get rebilled there. It's not worth. So I cancel that account, and then I would only have this account left. Actually, no. I think it's this one. Yeah, I would only have this account left. Yeah, which is at 50,000, and I need to pass this one, which is at 50,300. So $1,500 in the next 2 days. It's possible. I just take $800 trades, but I don't want to think about the TP, because then that can affect the actual trades that I take. But a $200 day, it's not too bad. It's not too bad at all. 204 on each account. It's all right. Could have been 360. I'm just not hitting big trades. But hey, it is what it is. That's all for today. Peace.